the precision glue gels. And this is, guys, is really cool. It had the dual end, so the other end I use it most for the bigger frame, which is I'm using the brush to seals on the big metal pieces, and then I'm using the precision end with the needles, and I am go ahead and seals on the edges, the gap. This is really cool because the frame is get really secure with the 40 gel. Remember that I didn't kill the 40 gels. I go ahead and place the metal frame. You can find this if you and happen to didn't grab your ultimate crystal kit. You can definitely get this metal frame in the on the websites under Valentine HQ, and is I believe it's the Love in the Air, the metal frame. It is all different colors, different, I mean not different color, different shape of the heart, smaller heart, bigger heart, perfect heart, cheeky heart. The frame you can do putting in any others. All right, so with the with this, I make sure that I sealed on the top of the beads and around the beads, and seals all the metal frame, and then just go around with the crystal and check on the edges. If you feel in the edges of the crystal it's really like scratchy, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit in. You don't need a lot, little go a long way. And then after that you are going to cure for 60 seconds. If you need to go back and seals again, if you feel still scratchy on the nails, you can definitely go back and seals it again, and make sure you give it a flash cure for about 30 seconds before you do it again. I'm so excited today. We did really good with 2 nails designs, so I hope it bring you some inspiration. And if you missed a lot of videos that I had it before, or if you are first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz live tutorial. If you have been with us for a long time, thanks so much for the amazing love and support. We wouldn't be here without every single of you. Every single of you is mean a lot to Glitz. And if you miss all the video, don't worry, I saved every single video. Like, we have a good amount of them from every single product. So if you have questions, or if you are going to plays with the different techniques, and if you need to see any video for any inspiration, don't hesitate to DM us. We're able to post a lot of videos for you. And if you have questions regarding to any product you couldn't find, please feel free to DM us. We'll be so happy to assist you, and we can able to answer any question. If you have question regarding to the sub box for your order, your shipping, don't hesitate to